Click on search bar and type here task manager. After that, click here to open it. Select run as administrator. Now it will open a new window. Then select file, click on run new task, and from here click on browse button. Then go to this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. Now open this folder, scroll down, select this file cmd.exe and click on open. Then check this box and click on OK. To avoid mistakes, we already have list of commands to make it easy for you. For that, open Google Chrome web browser, then type hows.tech Windows commands and hit enter. Now click on this link, which is from www.hows.tech. Now just scroll down and then copy command number 12. Simply select this, right click on it and select copy. Now right click on command prompt to paste that command and hit enter. After that, copy command number 13. Now type exit to close the command prompt window. Simply type exit and hit enter. Go to search bar, type here Chrome, click here to open it. In the search bar type chrome://net-internals, click here. Then go to sockets, click on flush socket pools. Now we need to check the updates for Google Chromes. After that, click on these three dots, more tools, and click on clear browsing data. Now select all time and click on clear data. Once done, close this, go to search bar and type cmd run as administrator, select as. To avoid mistakes, you will get all these commands from the description below. Just copy them and paste it here and hit enter to execute them. These commands are really important, so follow the screen carefully. Once done, close command prompt window. Finally, restart the system, which is very important. Before you do that, like this video. God bless.